in today's video is going to be another hair video. So I want to shout out Hey Hey Hair for sending me this red wig. Originally this wig was like a bright red, like I don't know if you can see right here. It was a bright red. I watercolored this with the Burgundy Adored dye, so it would become like a nice darker, like 99J almost, but I did miss a patch, so excuse this. But it's in the back anyway, so it's fine. So this is a full lace wig with bangs. This unit is 18 inches and was sent to me by Hey Hey Hair, so shout out to them. Thank you for this wig. So in the back there is an adjustable band. There is also a clip and a hair comb and these. So I just have my hair slicked back in one, and I'm just going to show you guys what this looks like. I did wash it and flat iron this, and the hair is still in good quality. It flat ironed very nicely, I must say. When I was in high school, I used to love bangs, and I don't know what happened. And I used to also like try to dye my hair to this 99J color also, and I fried my hair. So this is kind of like nostalgia for me right now, having this red wig again. I might fringe out the bangs and cut them a little bit more. I really do like this. Or I'll just make it like that. There we go, it's a little bit better. You can see. So the wig like falls at like my boobs. So this is really cute. I love how it came out. red on me. This was very easy to like put on straight out the box and just go. I think this is really good for somebody that loves very low maintenance hair and just wants to like and go. But this is the wig. It's giving me Remy Ma vibes back in the day. Her and Nicki Minaj. I'll insert the throwback pic here. But thank you so much for watching. Do me a favor, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.